Annyeonghaseyo to Charlene.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so Reniel. So Reniel is going to have 50 pesos per day for 30 days. So that is 1,500. Okay, and you also have a working fee 500 for you. Just every day, no?
Every day.
Okay, and that is from Chocominim.
Chocominim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida for Reniel.
Okay.
Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Angie.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. So you're going to do some mission for Kinshin. Okay. So Kinshin have 50 pesos per day for 30 days. So it's now is June 23. So it will be finished in July 23. Okay, for 30 days. So 50 times 30 is 1,500. Okay, you will get the budget for Kinshin and 500 pesos for your working fee. Okay, and that is from Chocominim.
Chocominim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida for Kinshin.
Bye bye. Na ma'am.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So Alona is in the school right now.
Yes.
Okay. So maayong buntag nim gives Alona 2 sack of 5 kilogram rice and also 2 chocks to go for her. Okay.
Mayong buntag nim kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So hello. So you are Chandria's Halmoni grandmother, no? Okay. So since Chandria's mom is not here working, so and Chandria is whole day class. Okay. So Chandria, she will going to buy some school uniforms for her. Okay. So this is 2,000 pesos for Chandria, and Chandria will take a video when kung makapalit na siya og uniform. Okay. So Chandria Halmoni, that is from Dongjun Nim.
Okay.
Okay. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.
Lecturing kamsahamnida for 200.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Merlinda.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. So since Teacher Lloyda is in the office, no? Padong going to office, and then Brianna is in the school. Whole day sila, sir. So you will receive their donation na lang, and also you, Teacher Lloyda, Teacher Merlinda, and Brianna, 1,000 pesos each from Soyong Philnim.
Soyong Philnim, kamsahamnida.
Okay. Bye bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Lloyda.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. Since you are not here, earlier Kuya Rix delivered us 1,000 pesos, and it's come from Soyong Philnim.
Soyong Philnim, kamsahamnida.
Okay,
Bye bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Brianna.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, since you are in school, Kuya Rix delivered us here. Okay, for you 1,000 pesos, and it was given by Soyong Philnim.
Soyong Philnim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
Study hard.
Fighting.
Annyeonghaseyo, Shane's Appa. Okay, so the room of Shane is the interior kay nahuman already finished
inside, but outside.
But the exterior is not yet
Outside.
work pa, no, kay budget is opsoyo.
Up to you.
So it's kuan naman kanang neat naman tanawon ang sod. So beautiful naman ka kuan na, komportable na si Shane sa iyang room. Okay. So nahuman siya pag kano sa pa lang nahuman.
3 days puro na miski.
Sakto to pag Friday.
Friday to.
Friday, so nag-deliver ko Martes.
Martes. Merkulis, Huwebes, Lunes. Murag.
Ana,
Duhag to nga kadlaw.
duhag to nga 2.5 days. Okay. So, I'm also here to deliver bugas at 5 kilogram too for Shane, and that is from Bekchurinim.
Thank you.
Bekchurinim.
Thank you. Bekchurinim.
Okay, bye-bye. Shane's room is already finished. Ang sod ra niya bus na. Ang sod saan ni siya? Interior is already finished, but the 10K budget is not cope up with the outside exterior, so they prioritize the interior of Shane's room. So you light, ceiling fan, window.